firmly down the dry mode. Hello and welcome to Healthy Kitchen 101. Today we have the Bonsen Kitchen VS2100 vacuum sealer in our lab. The packaging, this is how it came to our lab this morning, and the packaging is extremely simple. It's made from cardboard, and to the side you have all the features that you need to know about this vacuum sealer right out the gate. So it has a sealing time of 10 seconds, a vacuum in seal time of 35 seconds, and other informations like the dimensions and the weight of the product. Other than that, it is a very simple packaging. So now let's open it up. As you can see, the inside is padded with foam, and all of the parts are available right at the gate. Here are the power cords and the air hose, as well as the rubber gasket for if you want to use it to package food boxes or plastic baggies. Here's the rubber gasket, and here are the plastic bags, the complementary plastic bags. This is the vacuum sealer. On the inside, there are cardboard placeholder with instructions on what to do and how to use it. So with this vacuum sealer, you have this instruction placard at the front that tells you exactly all you need to know about how to use it and what modes and what buttons do what. Basically, you have the seal button, which if you put one of these plastic bags into the vacuum sealer, it's going to seal it up for you. And then there's the dry and the moist modes. Depending on the kind of food stuff that you have, you can take your pick accordingly. And there's the vac mode. This is the primary mode of the vacuum sealer. So when you push it, it's going to suck all the air inside the plastic baggies out, and it's going to seal up the back. And last but not least, there's the accessory mode, which is made to be used with these air hoses. So you can plug this air hose to the side and use it with a plastic box or a plastic baggie with the right adapter. Oh, and you also have this rubber gasket that's supposed to be the replacement for this gasket inside. And at the back, you have the power cord, which is wrapped up very nicely in its own plastic bag. The power cord should be around 30 or 35 inches. So now we are going to plug it in, and we're going to do a test run with it, with the roasted cashews here. I'm going to take it back out. I'm going to place it within this vacuum channel here. Press it firmly down until it clicks on either side, and I'm going to select the dry mode. And that's about it. So my initial impressions of this vacuum sealer is that it is really fast at what it does. On the box it says that it would take about up to 35 seconds for the vacuum sealer to finish its job, but on my test run it probably takes about 5 to 10 seconds, which is surprisingly fast. And looking at the back, the seal is really good. And of course, I'm looking at the cashews here. There are no air pockets, so the vacuum sealer does a really good job at sucking all the air inside out. And as for the vacuum sealer itself, the inside is simple, and there are instructions on the important bits, like on this heating bar here, as well as on the vacuum channel. And of course, there's the instruction placard at the front, so you know exactly what to do right away. And what I also really like about this vacuum sealer is that the lid is very easy to use. You don't need to apply a lot of force to get it to click into place. And once you do, you just press these latches on either side. Just a gentle bit of force and it's going to click right out of place. So that's it for today's unboxing video of the Bonsen Kitchen VS2100 vacuum sealer. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of these videos from us in the future, subscribe to our channel. And of course, like with every other unboxing video, we're going to have a full review of this vacuum sealer up on our website at a later date. I'm Matthew from Healthy Kitchen 101. See you later.